Hey guys, Amanda Kotel here, your fitness expert, and today we are gonna do your at-home workout. Get ready to sweat. All right guys, let's get ready for your first exercise. We're doing split squats. I'm gonna tell you a few key points to consider when you're doing this exercise. So let's get started. You don't need to use weights, but if you wanna use weights, it is gonna make it more advanced. All right, so I want you to start with your feet hip width apart. So your hip width apart is here, not here. So hip width here, not here, okay? From there, keep your abs nice and tight and you're gonna move your foot backwards. You wanna be about shoulder width and a half apart in length. From there, you're gonna keep your abs tight again and shoving your hips back a little bit so that your top of your head and the top of your heel are in line with each other. From there, you're gonna bend at your knees and your hips, going all the way down, and then coming back up. Don't forget to keep everything nice and tight. Don't forget that in this exercise, you want to be feeling it in your glutes, and your hamstrings, and your quads and the back leg. So the primary focus is the front leg, your glutes, and your hamstrings. Your turn.